Nice. Are you all seeing that? Enjoying it? It tastes really well. Hey guys, welcome back to the Healthy G channel. Now right now I have a lovely plant that I would like to put in my water to drink for the 7 days challenge. Come. This is a cactus tree, and usually locally people use this to wash their hair, and some use it as a cleansing. And also I heard that it is used to drink in infused water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a piece of this cactus tree. If you look at it closely, you can see that it has a lot of somewhat like picker, something like that on some of them, and it have a lovely fruit here, like a dragon fruit. I'm not too sure if it's related, but I'm going to cut it and put it in my water and drink it for 7 days, guys. 7 days, and you'll see what will happen. What I think I may need at least 4 leaves, because I would not use an entire leaf in my water. I'm not too sure, because the leaf is very big. So I will take 4 leaves and see if I can split it in 2 and use half for one day and half for the other day. Nice. So guys, here I have my Ratchet leaf, which I will use for my water drinking. But as I told you, I will use half of the leaf, just cutting out some of the areas that looks like it's not really good. So I will use half of the leaf. As you can see, the leaf is very rigid, and what I need to do is cut the leaves and infuse it, put it in my water. Now I need to get a bottle where the rim of the bottle is wide, so the leaves can go into. Usually with the other experiments, what I would have done is use a pot and infuse my leaves into the hot water. However, this leaf will be used in cold water and stay there for approximately, well, for the entire 24 hours, and whereby it will be gently infusing in the water, and I will use that leaf. So therefore, unlike the other bottle, which was 1.5 liters, this is only 1 liter. So I will drink it and continuously fill it, and do so for the next 24 hours. Okay, so what I'm doing is cutting the leaf down in the middle to expose the contents. I have cut the leaf, Ratchet leaf, in the middle and expose most of the contents. And what I'm going to do here is slice them in very thin slices so it can fit in my bottle. Right? If you can look at the side, you can see the inner content here. This is what we need to infuse in the water, and you can see the outer layer. I wonder if you can see it. Now I got my 1 liter of water, and what I'm going to do is put each of the pieces that I cut up into the water, whereby it will infuse. So here it is in the water, and I will drink this for 24 hours. So guys, I'm doing some work right now. As you can see in the background, I'm cutting the forest.
I call it forest because the grass and the trees are very tall. So I need some water. So I'm grabbing my infused Ratchet water, locally known as Ratchet. Some call it slippery hem as well. I'll give you the scientific name and its benefits in the coming video. But this is day 1 of my Ratchet water drinking. I hope you see that. The water becomes, after sitting for approximately 45 to an hour, the water becomes thicker in consistency and it's slimy. But the taste is soothing. So it's giving you that that feeling like you will be hydrated. It's like drinking cucumber water. That's the taste. That's the taste you are getting, a cucumber taste. And but the consistency is much more thicker than water. Just as I remembered it in my childhood days. Yes, locally they use this for cleansing, for purification, and rehydration probably. But guys, this is day 1 in my water drinking, and I'll let you know how the rest of days go as I drink this water. Not bad tasting at all, and I think I kind of like it. And I'm just enjoying it. Day 2. Yes guys, day 3 and going strong. Loving this journey. So guys, we are at a sporting area here where a national sports is taking place, but I have my water still, and I'm at day 4 drinking my water while we are having fun here. So the goal is still before me. Stay tuned, it's going well. Yes guys, I'm at the beach side today, but our journey continues with my water. Day 5. Enjoying it, no problems at all. Blessed day, blessed day. Look at the amount of work that I have to do today. All these grass need to be cut down, these small trees as well, just today. And you know your boy need the hydration, so I walk with my water. Today is day 6 of my Ratchet water drinking, and we are going strong. A lot of work to be done today, but my water will keep me steady. So the cactus in Trinidad and Tobago is used vastly for washing off one's hair. It is known to the Rastafarian community. They use it a lot as a shampoo agent in washing hair, and many others who love natural things use it for washing off the hair. However, guys, it is called Ratchet in Trinidad and Tobago, or also known as slippery hem. And however, I found out that the name is also called Ratchet in my research. I also found out that if you ingest too much of the Ratchet, it can cause nausea, bloatiness, diarrhea, or stomach irritation. And it is also used for drinking. Some people use it. It is not popular, but some people use it for drinking as a cooling, used in infused water. Like what I'm doing here. So I also heard that it is good for your prostate. It is used for prostate health. So guys, I will let you know more about this. So guys, I also understand that people use the cactus, the slippery hem, or the ratchet as we know it, to make meals. They use it in salads, they cook it. And guys, what I'm going to do, I think I will try to wash my hair with it also and cook it as well, and I'll let you know more about the benefits. Yeah guys, day 7 and going strong. I'm almost there, having fun. Last day of my water drinking of my Ratchet slippery hem herb or whatever you want to call it, but I'm enjoying it and it's doing well. Yeah. So guys, I got my Ratchet here that I'm going to use to see how it will do on my hair. But what I did before, I washed my hair with some of the shampoo so I could use the Ratchet as a conditioner to my hair. Look at it. If you look, you will see the inside very slimy at this moment. So I guess it will be a good lubricant and it will make some good foam in my hair. Let's see. Guys, are you all seeing that? I think it's already making a good foam in my head. Wow, it feels good. So I'm going to rub it in my hair for a while and then ensure that it's soaked probably about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will rinse it out. Right guys, so I guess this is it. It feels like if it's shampoo, slimy, and I guess people with locks and longer hair may appreciate this more. But I'm just trying it to see how it feels and does it really work like a conditioner or a shampoo. So I'm going to rinse it out right now. My hair feels pretty good. How does it look? Does it look more black? You can be the judge. But this is mainly how people use the Ratchet in their hair. Next step is to cook it and see how this will taste. So guys, and I am attempting to cook this Ratchet. I've never done it before, but what I think that you have to do, look here, you must take out the nuts because there is some pickery stuff that is on it, right? And then we already cut around the Ratchet, so it's just to remove this and then wash out our Ratchet very well, then chip it up in fine pieces. So guys, I have prepared my Ratchet, right? Cut it up in some slices. So I have my water here preparing to come to a boil with my makeshift rocket stove. So what I'm going to do is just put it in and allow it to boil a little bit. When the water dries a little bit, then I will add the other ingredients. Okay, so it has been on the fire for a little while. However, the water is not thoroughly subsided as well, but the ratchet has taken color. It is boiling away, but the ratchet is a much more moss green in color. So what I will do, I will throw out the excess water, and then I will start to toss it up with some seasoning and stuff and things like that. Here we have a little bit of shallow benny remaining. Guys, let's get ready to rumble. So I have my shallow benny with oil here. Right? And I have my onion and anchovies on it. And there, onion, peppers, garlic, tomato. Let me just remove that ants. And they are all going in. Toss that a little bit. You can smell the flavors. And then I'm going to add the ratchet back inside again. Toast it up a little bit. A little bit of Himalayan salt to taste. Tossed it up here. I think I need a little bit more salt. Tossed it up here. Then I'll leave it to simmer a little bit. So guys, it is finished. As you saw, hope that you can see me here. Now for the taste test. Makeshift chopsticks. It tastes really well. It give you that taste like okra. Has that okra flavor or that bygone melangen flavor or eggplant flavor. The skin is fibrous, so I believe probably I should have gotten the younger leaves, but I wasn't thinking about cooking it at that time. But guys, I can see me having this with some rice. The flavors took in very well. You can taste the onion, the garlic, the shallow benny, and the peppers as well. And yes, the tomatoes was a compliment, so it is really good. However, as I said, you are getting the fiber of the outer layer of the ratchet. So I think I should have used a little more younger leaves. So next time, probably I'll do so. But however, guys, I think this is a success. I am gonna rate it probably 8 out of 10. Would I do this again? I surely will. A full meal. So, this is your boy, Healthy G. What are the benefits of the ratchet plant? With my research, I found out that there are many benefits. One of them is that it acts as an antiviral. With some preliminary research, they have found out that the ratchet plant has some antiviral activities and properties within itself. They have found out that it may have some activity against the respiratory syncytial virus, the herpes simplex virus, and also HIV virus. Also, it is known to have some neuropathic properties, healing properties. It aids in healing damaged neurons. So guys, this is a lot. It's also an antioxidant plant. So guys, this is wonderful. I have found also that this cactus plant is good for regulating your blood sugar. And also, it has been found that this cactus helps prevent or treats prostate enlargement, also known as BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia. Guys, we also found out that this ratchet plant also helps in treating with prostate cancer. Guys, a lot of things. It was also found that the cactus plant helps reduce cholesterol. And they say that it also helps with the reduction of hangovers when individuals consume alcohol. Guys, we realize that this cactus plant also is used as an antacid. Hence the reason I could understand why it can cause bloatiness, because if you eat and you drink the cactus water within a short period of time, it can alkaline your stomach acid and slows down or reduce the time of digestion of your food, and this can cause food fermentation or bloatiness. So guys, I'm learning a lot with this cactus. So overall, my 7 days was excellent, and I felt good. I learned a lot about the cactus plant, and it tasted good. It ate well. I will do it again. And guys, you can try it. Remember, if you're trying anything for medicinal purposes, please consult your physician before doing so. It's your boy Healthy G. I'm going to try another herb and I'll let you know how we go within 7 days challenge. Peace out. Healthy G. Yeah.